Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tire on your Ford F250. First, prioritize safety by parking on a level spot, engaging the parking brake, and turning on your hazard lights. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific jack points. Finally, secure the vehicle by placing wheel chocks behind the wheel opposite the flat tire. Now, with safety measures in place, let's loosen those lug nuts. Use your lug wrench to turn each nut counterclockwise about 1/2 turn while the tire is still on the ground. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated frame point, as indicated in your owner's manual. Slowly raise your F250 until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring the vehicle remains stable. With the vehicle raised, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs, sliding it firmly into position. Hand tighten each lug nut onto the studs until they are snug. Then, lower your Ford F250 just enough so the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Finally, it's time to fully secure your spare. Using your lug wrench, tighten all lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure across the wheel. Once they are all tight, lower your Ford F250 completely to the ground and remove the jack. Give each lug nut one final check for tightness. Remember, the spare is for temporary use, so drive cautiously to a service center to address your flat tire promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.